WBUY stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So WBUY global stock's been sitting at 23 cents ish, and all I can see here is just my previous buys when it was short. Like I was bearish and that delivered. Like if you don't believe me, I'm going to show you the proof.
Buy right
I
now,
do obviously have the proof. This was made like a month ago, 19th of September.
Opportunity for me if there's a double break towards the downside. If there's not one, they're not going to short. It's really that simple. You know, just waiting. You know? It's always waiting.
Boom. And what happened? I mean, then after that, we delivered. And then we had like an upside delivery. Now, since I've done 31,000 videos and I have a lot of experience in situations like this, after just a couple of weeks, this most of the times, I'm going to say like 98%, shooting off the hip, it goes down. And I'm being real. So can this thing be different? Sure, we could try. But for me to buy, I mean, bro, like I really need to see more bullish momentum behind for me to really be kind of sold on that buy. But other than that, if you want to learn to trade stocks full time, 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.